Hello Orchestra, we are at page 28 in String Basics. On this page we're going to learn to play something called slurs. Basically a slur is playing two notes or more on one bow stroke. Let me show you what that sounds like. I'm going to play from D to E on just one down bow. Watch that again. My finger's going to go, it's going to start with an open D string. Let's see if I can get my finger in the picture there. There. All right. Notice what I did with my finger there? I went from D to E, but I didn't reverse bow direction. Watch what it looks like when I go with an up bow. And again. That's what we're going to learn to do on this page. They're called slurs. All right, let's take a look at what a slur, how you write a slur, what it looks like when you're reading music. It's a curved line between two notes that are different. So let's take a look at 131, the song 131, and sing a little bit of it. It's going to go D, E, D, E. When we play D to E here, we're going to slur from D to E. And then we're going to go an up bow, slur, D to E. Down bow and up bow slurs. So there's down bow slurs and up bow slurs. Why don't you listen to me play it first? Watch my bow and my left hand finger, and you'll see what I'm talking about with those slurs. They're really fun to do, but it's a coordination thing. You might have trouble doing it your first day or even your second day trying it. You might have a little trouble keeping your bow not moving, wanting to change directions. Listen to me play 131. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now up, D, 2, D, 4. Notice those are E to F sharp. Now we're going to go down, F sharp, E, slurring, 2, 4, and down, D, E, D, D, 2, D, 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into 131 again. You can try to play along with me. If you're still confused, you might want to just watch what I am doing with my bow and my finger until, I get it. And then you can go ahead and try it. Rest, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 2, D, 4. E, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, 2, E, 4. S sharp, E, F sharp, E, E, 2, E, 4, E, D, E, D, E, 2, E, 4. So again, D and E right there is done with a down bow. That's a down bow slur. And then the next D to E is an up bow slur. Right here we go from E to F sharp with down bow, and then up bow with this E to F sharp. And then these four measures are like the opposite of what we did at the first part of the song. Practice that on your own, okay? Before you move on to the next song. We are at 132 now, called Searching for Slurs. As I look through this song, it's giving us practice, of course, with two-note slurs. But notice, like on the first two notes, it's going from D to F sharp. So we're skipping notes rather than D to E. We're doing a skip, D to F sharp. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so both fingers come down for violins, violas, D, and then F sharp. Both fingers come down, second finger on F sharp. And we can go the opposite direction. We can start on F sharp, and then release our fingers to play that slur. 132. Listen to me play it, and then you can try it later, or if you want, go ahead and play along. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4. Half note D, F sharp, G, slur, E, G, slur, E, D, 2, lift and set, beginning, 4, slurring to F sharp, G, F sharp, E, rest, rest. Morning on the Potomac. Rest, 2, listen to me play now. 2, F sharp, 4, G to F sharp, slurs, 2, E, 4, repeat, 2, that's the F sharp, now G to F sharp, these are slurs, 2-note slurs, again, I'm thinking to myself that if this is your first time playing through this page, you're struggling a lot to play these slurs. And don't feel bad. I would suggest you just work on one song from this page and do it over and over until you're comfortable, a little bit more comfortable playing slurs, and then move on to the next song on the page. I'm just going quickly through it so you can hear what the song sounds like and see what I'm doing with my bow and my finger. Slurring the scale. Now, if we played this without slurs, it would sound something like this. Okay, we're changing bow direction on every note. But since we've got a slur, it's going to be down, and then up, down, up. So we're doing 2 notes on one bow stroke. All right, I'll play it for you. Rest, 2, 3, 4, and. 2, and then the low D. 2, and then repeat. You're switching strings there. high D, then the low D. And then the high D. That is the slurring the scale memorization line. So after you've played that several times, try to do it without looking at the notes and see if you can memorize it. Cross strings countdown. Purpose of this song is we're going to be slurring across strings. For D, notice, D to A. Okay, we're going down bow. Okay, then we move our bow to the A string and continue with the down bow. We don't change directions like this. Okay, but since they're connected with the curved line, we're slurring them. All right. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Rest, 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 rest. Rest, 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 rest. Rest, 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 rest. That ending, those last two measures are quite surprising. If you didn't look at them before playing it, you probably got pretty surprised when you got to the end because they threw in a kind of a different pattern and had us go to the G string at the end. Smooth sailing. I see as I look through this one that we've got open string. We have a A marked with an open string finger. Okay, so open string. Which I'm not sure why they did that because all the A's are open string on this particular song, but they've marked it as an open string. All right, they've also marked the down and the up bows. Okay, remember this is a down bow, this is an up bow. Then as we get through these parts of the song, they stop marking the down and up bows. They just assume that you'll know by here that this is a down bow and that's going to be an up bow. So they don't mark it for you. All right, 136. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then set, beginning. Now, if you weren't slurring on this page, you'd be able to play those songs probably fairly easy, but because of the slurring, you're having trouble playing the songs. And again, that is normal. Just work it out very slowly. All right, last song on the page, Slurs for sure. Looks like this is going to give us a workout on the G string for our violins and violas, and that's good. We haven't done much slurring on the G string yet. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Again, it's the slurring that's going to give you trouble. That whole page is about slurring. So, of course, it's a new skill to learn. It'll come. If you're frustrated playing those songs, just keep working at them slowly, and eventually, one day you're going to say, ah, slurring, not so hard anymore. We'll see you next time for page 29.